Hello, my dear ones. Today, when I woke up from sleep, I was constantly thinking and planning what I could do during this relatively short time in Iran to get to know this country better. I made myself a coffee, had it, and now I'm here with you. Then I decided to go out for a walk and do some shopping. Public transportation in Tehran is abundant, although it's usually crowded. Compared to private transportation, it's more cost-effective. I noticed billboards advertising pop concerts. But it's worth mentioning that in Iran, making music must comply with the regulations of the Ministry of Culture and Islamic Guidance. This means it needs to be approved and censored. Therefore, rap music is considered illegal, and women are prohibited from singing and riding motorcycles, among many other restrictions that must be followed. These limitations can be frustrating for society, leading to issues for both the people and the government. I went shopping and thought I should create a podcast about the expenses here, along with regular purchases, commuting, and housing. It paints a comprehensive picture. Shall we take a look at my home? The living room, kitchen, and vehicle are all lovely and fully equipped. Are you okay with that? Should I include it in the next video along with the expenses here?